Everyday products like toothpaste, cream, deodorants may contain the hormonal disruptors. Read the book called Anti-Cancer Living, WHO EDC report, the book Fatal Consequences, Anti-Cancer Living and Astro Generation. Now here's a 10-point bathroom swap for Indian homes. Reference number 1 is avoid fluoride based toothpaste. Now use Dant Kranti Natural, Vico Vajradanti, Perfora fluoride free. Now WHO fluoride risk, fatal consequences, these are the reference. I have no association with these brands, but figure it out. Number 2 is avoid aluminium based deodorants. Do not spray deodorants on the underarms because your underarms are the part of your lymphatic ducts and your body detox naturally. Use coconut matter, juicy chemistry and deodorant sticks. Now the reference is coming from Dr. Espin Toxic Beauty. Next is avoid fragrance in your creams and lotions. Yes, these fragrances are not good for you in the long term. Use Earth Rhythm, Conscious Chemist, minimalistic body lotions, fragrance free. I have no association with this brand. Please do your own study, and this reference is coming from EWG Fragrance Report, Astro Generation, especially this point called avoid fragrance in creams. Next is avoid petroleum based lip balms because accidentally that some part of it goes within our body very easily. We can't avoid it. This is not good. The reference is coming from FDA lip balm containment reports. It is very detrimental for your health. And use juicy chemistry, sultry, arata lip balm, edible oils and zero fragrance. Next is avoid SLS in your face wash and shampoos. Now this reference is coming from EWG Toxic Index SLS. Use Mamaearth, Earth Rhythm, Kama Ayurveda, the tribal concept. Take these products, read the labels and do your own research, and always read the labels very carefully. Next is avoid talcum powders, baby and body. Avoid it. This is not good. Now this study is coming from JAMA Oncology 2020. Now use the Forest Essentials dusting powder, seam safe, juicy chemistry baby powder. Do your own research. Avoid plastic toothbrush with harsh bristles. Now this study is coming from Darren Olane, the book called Fatal Consequences, beautiful book. And use the bamboo toothbrush from Bare Necessities, Mayako and Humble Company. Do your own research. Use the wooden ones. Next is avoid chemical heavy moisturizer like Fair and Lovely, Nivea Soft. I have nothing against these brands, but read the labels carefully. If you read the Anti-Cancer Living book, you will find it. Use natural cold pressed coconut oil, sesame oil, net aloe vera gel. I usually use olive oil. I use a spray and use olive oil on my skin. I have no moisturizer, no oil, no cream. I don't use any cream. The reference from Dr. Cohen, Anti-Cancer Living. And number 9, avoid cheap plastic shower filters. So next, avoid plastic bottles. Do not drink water in your plastic bottles. Do not drink water or hot beverages in the paper cups because that paper cup has got the microfilm of plastic, and the moment you put hot water, tea, coffee inside the paper mug, the billions microplastic get dissolved in paper mug and you drink it. Not good for you for the long term. And if you're going out, there is a chance you might buy it some point. That's not a problem, but regular practice at your home, use it. Steel bottles, glass bottles, and always carry a thermal bottle along with you for your day-to-day water needs. And when you go to office, invest in a nice big this kind of insulated water bottle. This is a real investment and you can sip it, drink it, the water, tea, any kind of drink, beverage, cold and hot up to 24 hours. Nice investment. Say bye-bye to plastic. And this study is coming from WHO BPA report 2019. Plastic leads to many hormonal disruption. Next is simple routine, fewer products, few toxins. Limit all the cosmetics as far as you can. I don't use any cosmetic in my day. It's up to you. It's your choice. Make it a minimalistic lifestyle. You will be at peace. Now try 3-in-1 coconut oil for moisturizer, makeup remover and lip balm very easily. And the reference is coming from Dr. Bruce Lipton, Biology of Belief, and the book Fatal Consequences. If your skin absorb it, your liver has to detox it. It's a simple formula. Just remember it. What you cannot eat, you should not apply on your skin. Eat clean, whole food. You won't smell bad. And use steam sauna and natural ways to detox yourself by sweating, running, jogging, doing some kind of workout. Now comment toxin free to get a PDF of safe Indian personal care swap. Save this and tag someone who uses 10 plus beauty products daily or maybe more, and follow more for more and follow a cancer free living. Enjoy guys, love you, take care, stay healthy and stay vibrant.